Welcome to the forefront of industrial innovation. I am Shashi, here to enhance your manufacturing and production processes and help you achieve its full potential with Thingworx. Thingworx is more than just a tool. It's a game changer. It streamlines operations in manufacturing execution systems, that is MES, enhances product lifecycle management, that is PLM, and transforms the industrial Internet of Things, that is IIoT, by turning the data into actionable insights. This will help you to lead the modern market through comprehensive digital transformation. I can streamline your industrial IoT needs with Thingworx installation on secure databases like Postgres and MS SQL. I set up analytics servers for predictive maintenance, configure Kepware server for real-time monitoring, and develop alarm services and alert configurations for rapid issue resolution. I also create business intelligence dashboards to turn raw data into actionable insights. I can enhance your manufacturing execution system with better visibility and effectiveness. My expertise includes installing digital performance management and custom operator advisor dashboards tailored for your MES. These dashboards cover asset metrics, line metrics, including OEE and scrap counts, downtime reasons to identify and reduce losses, and many more. Each solution ensures your manufacturing operations are not just monitored but mastered. I specialize in product lifecycle management, installing and upgrading Thingworx Navigate to seamlessly integrate with SAP and Windchill. I create visualization dashboards to centralize all your product data, enabling oversight of the entire lifecycle. My dashboards handle process plan conversions, BOM exploration, and tracking part details, structures, versions, and revisions, keeping everything just a click away. My upgrade services keep your Thingworx environment cutting edge. From upgrading to version 9.x with enhanced dashboards to navigating upgrades across all versions, I ensure your system stays robust. I handle application upgrades for FSU apps like AMU, RTPPM, CWC, and BPM while transforming static dashboards into responsive designs. With version control implemented using GitLab, your configurations are safeguarded for smooth transitions between updates. Transform true potential Thingworx into performance. Partner with me, Shashi, for tailored solutions. Connect with me and let's build a smarter, more connected industry together.